Guess what could be worse than earthquakes and hurricanes, folks? You guessed it right. So let's just go into it and let's show you what's going on. Right now it seems that Yellowstone is active. I am not kidding. Well, this is a very nice website because you can see a live feed of Yellowstone and it seems that it's active. It's actually pouring, it's blowing smoke. It's active. So and the monitors are showing that the activity, there's some activity. This is not good, folks. Trust me, this is not good. We have 18 earthquakes happening in the vicinity. So this is not good, right? This is very bad because this is what they say, that minor earthquakes could trigger bigger ones, and bigger ones could trigger minor ones, and that's how it works, right? So we got an 8.4 earthquake that just hit Mexico. We got 2 or 3 hurricanes headed towards the east coast of the United States of America, and we had just a couple of days ago what they're calling a CME times 10, one of the strongest sun flares that could happen ever, just bursting out of the sun a couple of days ago. So this is supposed to cause massive disaster, and it's all happening at once. It just sounds like out of a movie. I know it sounds like out of a movie, but it's not, folks. It's really happening. So I want you to warn everyone you know.
Guys, this is real. It's straight from a horror movie.
It is?
No, I'm just saying it looks like one. And it's moving so fast.
Look!
I know.
It's the official hell versus heaven.
Okay, because this is real. Yellowstone could go off at any moment, and if this happens, folks, if this happens, this is complete disaster. So share this video right away, because we got a lot of disasters happening right now. I promised you guys I would be updating on everything I could, and it was pointed by one of our subscribers. Thank you very much.
And winds expected to continue on the island of
See you again.
Previous estimates of 6 to 8 weeks weren't even close. This one storm is going to change the face of our planet. Here's a projection of 24 hours out.
5 words. Jet fuel can't melt steel.